Here we can see the basement has been refinished. See the ceilings? My dad did that. And he did this. Even there was a beam for like support. Here's where I'm sleeping. You'll be here someday, Maya. We'll spend the night here. Spend a few days. We were fixing my headphones. We bought this really, see here they are. So my dad, they're pretty fixed. We bought this really good glue here, adhesive. AI said this was the best one. So hallelujah. Looks like those will be fixed. This is like all the tools and air stuff. Yep, here's the basement. I feel Danny's room, I guess. Washer. Yep, love you, Langy, Langy. Richie. You can see out the window. Wow, what a view. Crazy. The views here are ridiculous. Look at the closet. You can go in the closet. Look